Hello, this is part 7 of advanced JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to explain about date object in JavaScript and how you can implement a date object and what are the different ways to create a date object and to access a date object and uh, how you can manage a date object in your application. So JavaScript date object is used to work with date objects, and you can give year, month, day, hours, minute, second or millisecond to create a date object, and we'll see the different constructor of date object. And a date object will return in this format, this Thursday, August 17, like this, and dates written as numbers specify the number of milliseconds since 1st January 1970. In JavaScript, 1st January 1970 is called as zero time. So whenever a date object returns number of milliseconds, it calculates the milliseconds from this year 1970 January 1st. How to create a date object? There are 4 different ways to create a date object. One is, you can see here, new date, so the current date and time, and you can pass number of milliseconds to the date object. To create a date object, you can pass the millisecond to the date constructor. It will return zero time, means the time, this one 1970 plus millisecond. And also you can pass a date string to the date object. The date string will be like this: August 13 2017, and this is the time. And also you can create a date object by giving individual parameters like year, month, day, hours, minute, second and millisecond. So this is the 4 ways to create a date object, and the dates are calculated in 2 formats. You can see here, one is ISO format, this is for International Organization for Standardization, and another is UTC, which is Coordinated Universal Time. In ISO format, dates can be written with added hours, minute and second, like this: Y, M, D and T. In between you can see T is the separator between the time and date. In UTC time, a capital Z will be written to separate the time and date, and this is same as GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. And here ISO 8601 is the international standard for the representation of dates and times. ISO date inputs you can give like this: new date. If you'll give this like this, year, month, then date, also it will create a ISO date format date object. And also you can give like this. And JavaScript counts months from 0 to 11. 0 is the January month and 11 is the December. And you can see the day, Sunday also as 0 and Saturday as 7. Date methods let you get and set the date values also. We'll see in the upcoming slide. Here you can see the time zone effect. When setting a date without specifying the time zone, JavaScript will use the browser's time zone. When getting a date, if you are not specifying the time zone, then the result is converted to the browser's time zone. And here some output you can see. If you are taking new date and printing the date, it will print like this: IST time, because the browser is set to IST. And UTC string format, you can see here UTC string, it prints like that. And date string also you can see here. Then ISO string is separated by T. And to JSON also you can see this one. And to local date string, it will be like this. And to time string, it will be like this. Only time will come. Now some popular methods of a date object for getting the date. On the date object you can apply the following methods. If you'll on a date object, if you'll write get date or only get date, you can get the number day as a number. Date object dot get date, it will return the date, current number of the month. Get day also similarly, what is the weekday. And get full year will return the year. And get hours will return 0 to 23. And millisecond, get milliseconds, get minute, get month, get second, and get time. And milliseconds, get time will return the millisecond since January 1st 1970. And similarly for setting the date, there are some set methods also present. You can see set date, set full year, set hour, set millisecond, set minute, set month, set second, and set time. These methods can be applied on a date object. The part of the date can be set by these methods. Here are the most date.parse returns the number of milliseconds between the past date and January 1st 1970, that is 0 time. Thank you for watching. I will show a demo how to what are the other functions I have set. Let me stop this application. You can see this is I have shown already. I'll keep side by side so that it will be easy to understand. This is I already shown, you can see here in the slide. We'll see from hello. Input ISO date format, you can see like this. It will also come like this. Long date format also you can see August 17 long date format also it will come like this. Now you can see get date returning 17 because we have passed 17 here in the date object. Similarly get day returns 2 because we are passing. Get day is 2 means it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Similarly get full year, get hours, get millisecond, you can see all these will be returned from this date object because we are applying all those methods on this date object. Similarly for setting also you can set here D is the object, date object, and you can set the full year also, and you can parse date.parse converts the date string to number of milliseconds. Similarly, finding the difference between two dates in days, I am getting today and 2 days back. Suppose today is 28, it will return 25, means 2 days back 26 you can give, and the current time 2 days back time and 2 days time. So you can divide it by 1 day, what is the 1 day time, then it will return the number of days in between that. So this is for today, and if you want more update on this, you can subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.